started to sell his wine domestically in Ascoli Piceno, Italy. Then, when his son Felipe Ruttini became a winemaker, he decided to emigrate to America, and he built a winery which he called La Rural, and he also planted all those hectares. Here we have 10 hectares of Cabernet Sauvignon only, where our system of production is kind of a trellis system, in which the leaves protect the raceme from the direct sun and the rain. Our irrigation system is from Arsenal water from Cordillera de los Andes. It's transported by the river Mendoza, and twice a month we open the doors and we flood all the terrains to those surcos that you can see in the vineyards. Like that, the terrain remains 1 or 2 days. We have in total 255 hectares in the whole Fuco Valley, in Tupungato, Rivadavia, La Consulta, and Los Corralitos, and depending on the climate of the zone is the variety we are going to plant there. We also buy grapes from other sellers because we have an annual production of 10 million to 11 million liters. In 1919, Felipe Ruttini passed away, and he left the winery to his family. But in 1994, any one of the Ruttini family wanted to stay in command of the winery, so they sell it to a metropolitan group of investors, which Nicolas Catena and Jose Venegas Lynch are the main investors, the main owners of the winery nowadays. Any question? Any doubt of this part? No? Do you understand me?
Yes.